It's all about light. I found a gadget on Aliexpress which I ordered. I tested it and I felt it was very useful for me, so I just wanted to share it with you today. These are two flexible magnetic LED lights. I love them so much because they require no space at all. They are very flexible and they are even dimmable. So they're excellent for taking photos, for shooting videos while 3D printing. Because they are so flexible, I can lay them down almost on the bed surface and light up my nozzle from underneath, and that means I can really see what's going on at my nozzle. Those lights are so wonderful flexible and so easy to move that even if the printed part will hit the light, it gets them easily moved away without hurting anything. With just the tip of my finger, I can push them upwards in the parking position. Let's take a look at the magnetic base. You see there's this neodymium magnet insert. Okay, and you have this potentiometer to on off the whole thing and dim the light. Finally, something a little bit strange. You see, I have those two Sidewinder X1 models about the same manufacturing date, and at the first one here, the magnetic base holds very strongly on the cover, and when I try it on my second Sidewinder, well, it seems there's almost no magnetic force to feel anymore. Well, it seems like at the bottom plate here, steel plate, it will stick a little bit, but here on the top and on the side, no magnetic force at all. Well, it seems like the manufacturer, they have used some, I don't know, aluminium in this version model here, which I never knew about it before. Well, that's a little bit strange. If you want to use that magnetic base, anyhow, I suggest you find yourself a piece of magnetic metal or a big washer and you just stick it within the cover of this Sidewinder. You hide it there, and so you can use that magnetic lamp here as well. Here the close up. It comes with about 1 meter of power line. Then this magnetic base here, potentiometer on off, and dimmable, about 25 centimeter of flexible arm here, and those power LEDs. Very easy, very simple, works fine, nothing to complain about it. And it's very cheap. I paid in euro, just 10 euros, including delivery. What's this? So I decided to order a couple of more for the other printers.